What do you think are the four top elements on the planet? Well, if you think about it, Earth is covered with two-thirds water, so H2O, hydrogen, oxygen. If you think about it, what are some of living organisms and non-living organisms made up of? So we have carbon and nitrogen. When you take a deep breath in, you are pretty much mostly breathing 21% oxygen and about 70-ish, 72-ish percent nitrogen. So carbon, oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen make up the four most abundant elements on the planet. We also have other elements which are essential to life in small quantities. But then in elements, you have subatomic particles. Neutrons, they do not have any charge in elements. Protons, they have positive charge in elements. And electrons, they are negatively charged. Now, if we take an element and we look at this, in the central region of the element, you have your positively charged protons and neutrally charged neutrons. And then orbiting the elements, you have the negatively charged electrons. And so, even though you have elements with these three subatomic particles, you can have the same element with the same number of protons, the same number of electrons, but different numbers of neutrons. And so we call these isotopes. For example, carbon. Carbon has an atomic number of 6, carbon 12. But you can have carbon 13 and carbon 14. They are isotopes, same element. However, the difference is in the number of neutrons. And that's very important in isotopes. Radioisotopes, these are the same elements. However, they have different numbers of neutrons and they are actually radioactive. And we use radioisotopes and radio elements in a lot of research.